Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to fix if the taskbar keeps disappearing in Windows 11. So let's get started. So basically this problem can be occur if you have selected to hide the taskbar automatically, or in case if there are some corruption with the taskbar and the background settings are not working, and that is why the taskbar keeps disappearing. So in this case, you can see that I am currently on a Windows 11 system, and when I'm on the desktop, you can see that I have the taskbar present. As soon as I open any app, you can see that the taskbar has been disappeared. For example, in this case, I opened Microsoft Edge web browser. If you are facing the problem like this, by the end of this video, you should be able to resolve the problem. Let's start with method 1. So in this case, you have to simply right click on the taskbar in case if the taskbar is present and select taskbar settings. Alternatively, you can open the settings app and then go to personalization and then taskbar. Irrespective of the way, you will arrive at the same page. Now in the taskbar settings, expand taskbar behaviors, and there you will see the option automatically hide the taskbar option. If this option is checked, the taskbar will be automatically hiding, and whenever you open any app, the taskbar will be hidden, while if you are on the desktop, the taskbar will be present. So you can simply uncheck this option and you can see that the taskbar is now back and is staying there. Now let's see the second method. In this case, I suggest to open the task manager. You can press Ctrl Shift plus Escape keys simultaneously on your keyboard to launch the task manager. Once task manager has been launched, scroll down until you found Windows Explorer process, and then you have to select it and then click restart task, and you can see that the visual elements are now gone and they will be back once the Windows Explorer process has been restarted, and this should hopefully fix the problem for you. Method 3. In this case, we will re-register the basic taskbar or connected elements. So what we will do is open the Windows PowerShell as administrator. So simply do a right click on the start button and select terminal admin. Click yes in the user account control confirmation prompt. By default, the terminal opens to Windows PowerShell. So once the Windows PowerShell tab is there, just paste this command from the video description and press the enter key. As I said, this command will re-register the Microsoft Start menu and taskbar and the related elements. You can see that the command executed without any errors. This means our command execution was successful, and now the issues we were facing with the taskbar should be resolved. In case if you still face the issue, do let me know in your comments. I'll be happy to help you. And that's it for now on this video. Thanks for watching it. If you found it helpful, do like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos.